Ever slammed your brakes to avoid a sudden obstacle only to feel your car skid helplessly, tires screeching as you grip the wheel in panic? It's a heart-stopping moment, one that every driver dreads. In that split second, you realize just how little control you have when your wheels lock up and your car slides across the road, no matter how hard you try to steer. In older cars, locked wheels meant zero control, just screeching tires, clouds of smoke, and a driver's worst nightmare. The car would simply plow forward, unable to turn or avoid danger, leaving you at the mercy of luck and momentum. Enter ABS, Anti-Lock Braking System, a revolutionary breakthrough in automotive safety. This clever technology changed the game for drivers everywhere, making panic stops far less terrifying. ABS prevents your wheels from locking up during hard braking, so you keep grip and, crucially, steering. Even on slippery or wet roads, it helps you maintain control, allowing you to maneuver around obstacles instead of sliding straight into them. Instead of one long squeeze, ABS rapidly pulses the brakes, like a tap-dancing routine at each wheel. This pulsing action happens in milliseconds, much faster than any human could react, giving you the best chance to avoid a crash. This keeps you in control, letting you steer around danger instead of sliding into it. With ABS, you're not just a passenger in a runaway car, you're back in command, able to make split-second decisions that could save lives. That's why ABS is now standard in most modern vehicles. It's a proven lifesaver, turning panic stops into controlled maneuvers. It's one of those innovations you might not notice until you need it most. It's your silent guardian, always ready when things get hairy, quietly working in the background to keep you and your loved ones safe, no matter what the road throws your way. So how does ABS work its magic? It's a fascinating blend of engineering and technology, all working together in perfect harmony to keep you safe on the road. When you hit the brakes hard, especially in slippery conditions, ABS steps in to help you maintain control. The system is made up of three main parts: speed sensors, a control unit, and hydraulic valves. Each of these components plays a crucial role in making sure your car stops safely, even in emergencies. Each wheel is fitted with its own sensor, which constantly monitors how fast the wheel is spinning. These sensors are always on the lookout for sudden changes in speed that could mean a wheel is about to lock up. The control unit, think of it as your car's brain, receives data from all four wheels. It compares their speeds hundreds of times per second, searching for any sign that a wheel is losing traction or about to skid. If the control unit detects trouble, it instantly sends a signal to the hydraulic valves. These valves then rapidly release and reapply brake pressure, all within milliseconds, to prevent the wheels from locking up. This rapid-fire adjustment keeps each wheel right on the edge of locking, maximizing grip and allowing you to steer even during hard braking. It's like having a skilled co-pilot helping you stay in control. The sensors keep watch, the ECU makes split-second decisions, and the valves act instantly, much faster than any human could ever react. It's a seamless team effort happening beneath your feet. The result? Brakes that react in the blink of an eye, keeping you and your loved ones safe, often without you even realizing it. That's the magic of ABS at work every time you drive. Picture this. You're driving on a wet road, a deer jumps out and you slam the brakes. In a car without ABS, you'd skid straight ahead, out of control. But with ABS, the system instantly senses a wheel about to lock. It rapidly releases and reapplies brake pressure, keeping the wheels turning and gripping. You'll feel a pulsing in the pedal. That's ABS at work. Crucially, you can still steer, guiding your car around the obstacle while braking hard. The system does all the thinking and reacting for you in milliseconds. That's the genius of ABS, stop and steer all at once. The real magic of ABS isn't just about stopping your car faster. It's about giving you control when you need it most. Imagine you're driving on a rainy day, or you suddenly hit a patch of ice. In those moments, it's not just about how quickly you can stop, but whether you can steer away from danger. Locked wheels turn your car into a sled, you lose all ability to steer, and your vehicle just slides wherever momentum takes it. That's a terrifying feeling, one that ABS is designed to prevent. ABS keeps your tires gripping the road, even on the slickest surfaces. It lets you keep steering and maneuvering so you can avoid obstacles and stay in control no matter how slippery things get. No human can pump the brakes as quickly or as precisely as ABS can, no matter how skilled you are behind the wheel. ABS can adjust brake pressure up to 15 times a second, constantly searching for the perfect balance between stopping power and control. This means you can brake hard, even while turning, and still steer your way out of trouble. It's the difference between a close call and a crash. I felt it myself, slamming the brakes in the rain, feeling the pedal judder beneath my foot, knowing the system is working to keep me safe. With ABS you can steer around sudden hazards, even when you have to brake hard. It's a safety net that's always there, working in the background. Without ABS, I would have slid straight ahead completely out of control. It's not a flashy feature, but it's a true lifesaver, turning what could be chaos into calm, controlled driving. That's why ABS is standard in every modern car today, because when it comes to safety, control is everything.